It was the third time I visited Tokyo, and this time my family joined for our Christmas and New Year holidays. My son had already visited Tokyo one time before, but for the others it was the first time to visit Tokyo or Japan in general. As we would visit lots of culture later in the Kansai area, we decided to do things in Tokyo I didn't do during my previous visits. One thing I always wanted to do was a sushi workshop in combination with a visit to the Tsukiji fish market. It's very interesting to see the fish market, and a sushi workshop at the Tokyo Sushi Academy is a must-do in Japan. Learn it from the masters. I'll try to learn new too.
Life.